show you how to quickly organize items in the Numbers app. First, you have to open up the app, and here we have a document with some tables in it. From here, we just select all of these objects. Then we click on Arrange, and here we can align the objects to the left, for example, and then we can distribute them vertically like this, and then evenly. So for example, if they are not so cluttered like this, we can have something really nice with them. We just select them, arrange line objects left, arrange distribute objects vertically, and see, they are going to have an equal distance between them. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.